The Maintenance tab on the web dashboard gives you a desktop-sized view of everything keeping your airplane airworthy, plus a few features you won't find on the phone. At the top is the Maintenance Timeline, a visual Gantt chart showing your upcoming calendar-based maintenance items across a rolling 12-month window. A blue dashed line marks today. Each item appears as a color-coded dot, green for current, yellow for due soon, red for overdue. You can see at a glance what's coming and what's late. Next is component time tracking. This is where you monitor time to overhaul on your engine and other major components. Each component shows a progress bar of hours used versus TBO, color-coded by remaining life. Green when you have more than 30% of TBO left, yellow between 10 to 30%, and red at 10% or less. Add your engine, prop, or any tracked component with its TBO hours and current time. If you enter an as-of TAC reading, 5x5 automatically adds flight hours logged since that reading, so the number stays current without manual updates. Below that is scheduled maintenance, organized the same way as the mobile app, by category. Expand any item to see its full details: description, due date, due TAC, intervals, and comments. Create new items, edit existing ones, or mark them complete. When you complete an item, enter the date and TAC, add your notes, and the next due date calculates automatically from your intervals. The Future Maintenance Expenses widget pulls from your Finances tab, showing the next 6 months of planned maintenance spending. This gives your treasurer visibility into what's coming without leaving the maintenance view. Active squawks show every open discrepancy sorted by severity, grounding squawks at the top, then monitor, then minor. Each shows the description, reporter, date, severity badge, and photo if one was attached. Resolve a squawk right from here with notes and a resolution photo. Expand the Resolved History section to see your complete discrepancy archive. The Oil Analysis feature lets you track engine health over time. Log oil analysis samples with all relevant metal content readings. Once you have 2 or more samples, a trend chart appears showing how those metals are tracking. Each sample also records the lab name, oil type and brand, oil hours, and an overall status from normal to severe. This is exactly the kind of data that helps you and your mechanic spot engine trends early. Finally, the Documents and Records section has 3 parts, organized the same way as the mobile app. At the top is operating manuals and guides. The manuals you've bookmarked from the catalog, ready to open with one click. Below that is your group's documents. Everything the group has uploaded, regardless of category: inspection reports, AD compliance, STCs, invoices, bylaws, partnership agreements. If it's worth keeping for the group, it lives here. There's a search bar to filter by name or description. At the bottom is Browse Catalog. The same 130 plus searchable collections of POHs, operating manuals, and avionics guides that powers the mobile app, with manuals matching your aircraft prioritized at the top. Search, save anything to your bookmarks, and it appears in operating manuals and guides above. That's the Maintenance tab, the full picture of your airplane's health: what's done, what's due, and what's to watch.